Hey guys, I have 7 minutes to film this. I got the Kmart thing. So I was planning not to buy this actually, but my daughter has an assembly in school today and my phone doesn't zoom. Well, okay, it does zoom, but I thought that I wanted to use a video camera for this, you know, for the nostalgia feels. So I'm just going to open this up, and I broke the box, so won't be able to return this. Let's see. So it's that small and it runs on batteries. Oh, it's good. It has its own SD card and adapter already. Let me have a look. Where do I... Okay, I am struggling. Good, I got the right battery. So you use the AAA batteries. So I have 3. I'll just pop that in. Oh. There we go. Hopefully it works. So somebody was calling me. Trying to figure out. Oh, it's here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, it works. Oh, that's the photo. Now how do you take a video? No, I picked... I'm gonna figure this out. I'm gonna go inside now. See ya.